What's up, dudes and dudettes? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and I am showing you these, which to my best of my knowledge are the first ever modified Nissan Juke Nismo DRL lights. Yeah, they're really pretty, right? It's the left and the right side. So what I did with these was I took them apart and I replaced out, this is the original little LED board, very tiny little LEDs, and it's got these diffuser lenses on them, so scrapped that. And I installed the Morimoto ModPod minis, which are these guys in there. They are super bright, and they are pure white light as compared to the OEMs, which are kind of like an OEM white, which is a warm white. So this one is a pure white, which will match any of your HID retrofits, assuming you went with a pure white LED color, or I'm sorry, a pure white color or an LED bulb in your Juke Nismo. So it'll match better and it looks cooler. I also painted the black interior, that nice gloss black. You can see that basically I have to cut these open and then they epoxy it shut with the plastic weld epoxy. And then I also clear coated the exterior, which because these were used, and I think we still even have that little rock chip in there right there. It's an unfortunate thing, you can't really get rid of that, but it's fine. It's a little imperfection, but the clear coat on it will actually make these last a lot longer. Gives that plastic a lot more strength and rigidity and resilience against future road debris impacts, as well as yellowing or fading with time. I did a wire loom harness that is pretty dope using the factory plugs, so these will literally just plug and play. And then we've got this one random string out there, and you're gonna say to yourself, well, what's that wire for? Well, let me show you, because not only, I'm gonna fire these up now for you, are they just silly bright. Let's go. Woo! Right, silly bright. Then I'll do this other one now. And then that one goes right there. So these are switchback. So that is another new feature over the OEM. So this is a really great comparison. Again, you can see how bright these things are. They're silly, silly bright, and that beautiful pure white output. And these are it'll blink with the amber along with your turn signal. I'll actually show you so you don't think I'm lying to you. It'll go boop, boop, boop. Oh, there it is. Turn signal, and when turn signal stops, they come back on. And I guess the way that the camera is picking up, that actually fades on, but it's utilizing pulse width modulation, so it kind of just strobes on the camera. But it's legit. Look at that thing. That's so cool. I'm really excited about these. Okay, that's pretty much it. Best of my knowledge, first ever to modify these, and I hope that these become a popular thing, because I'm sick of seeing all the Juke Nismos with the same DRL lights. We need some creativity out there, folks, and these are a great solution for them. Super awesome looking, right when you're all up on it, but even when you're not. So cool. Whatever, this is 13. I'll talk to you later. See you.